Heavenly Father, we come before you tonight with hearts full of gratitude. Thank you for this beautiful evening, for the friendships we have built, and for the memories we continue to create. We are grateful for the guidance of our parents, teachers, and mentors who have shaped us into who we are today. May this night be a celebration of joy, unity, and the bonds that make us stronger. Bless each one of us as we take part in this special event. May we share moments of laughter and happiness, always greeting one another with respect and kindness. Let this gathering remind us of the importance of gratitude for the lessons we have learned, the challenges